Hey guys, Shane Heath, local grasshow here. Today I'm going to show you how to treat your yard for spiders and actually mosquitoes too. We'll use this Spectricide. What I'm going to do is fill the rest up with this Bifin IT, and that should kill every pest in the yard. So we'll get this sprayed down. It's the middle of the day, it's super hot, so all your bugs are going to be hiding in their shady spots now, so it's a good time to get them. Alright guys, so what you're actually going to do is you're going to take the top off of this Spectricide. And they always leave a little bit of room here where it's not full completely. I don't know if you can see that. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna fill the rest of this up with the Bifin. Squeeze the bottle. We're gonna fill up this top place here. Now either one of these chemicals will do just fine on its own, but it's better to give them a 1-2 punch. Alright, I'm gonna do 1 more ounce. So that'll make 3 ounces. Alright, so we got both products in the same jug here. And what we're going to do is we'll tighten this lid up and shake it up. Alright, now we'll pull the plug and be ready to go. Alright, so since it's hot right now, it's like 2 o'clock in the afternoon. I think it's about 85 degrees. All your mosquitoes are going to be pushed up into the woods here in their shady spots and little places holding water. There's actually a creek that runs back here, so this holds a lot of mosquitoes. I got another place under my deck up here I'll show you later we're going to spray, but I'm going to hit this first and work my way back in the yard so that way I don't have to walk over anything I just sprayed. Trying to escape. I can see them flying off the ground. Alright guys, so this is another one of my problem areas. It's a deck here, it always has shade and it's got pine straw under. So I get a lot of mosquitoes here and a lot of spiders. So I'm gonna make sure I soak this down really good. Alright guys, I got my whole yard sprayed, even the woods back here like we started with. Now I'll probably hit that again, probably in about 2 weeks. I'll get farther back in there and hit them a little deeper, but we'll see if that makes a difference. There's one flying right here. So I noticed when I was hitting them, it was really stirring them up and they were tearing me up. So I need to say, put on some bug spray before you go back there and start spraying. They were tearing my legs up even with Max DEET on. So I'm gonna do this once a month all the way through the summertime. So that way in about October, I'll be done with it and we'll see if it makes a difference. See, a lot of guys recommend this. Now, I probably won't buy any more Spectracide. I'll probably just keep refilling that with water and adding the bifin to it. So that way I just have the applicator basically I can spray it with. All right guys, that's it for today. So I just showed you how to get rid of those mosquitoes and the spiders real quick. If you would hit that subscribe button for me, give me a thumbs up. And like I said, I'm gonna keep growing the page here. So got some people that reached out to me and got some products coming we're gonna be showing.